I like fish. Erasmus week a lot of times.
More interactive and
I really enjoy exotic,
especially since like
forest,
pancakes.
It was easy to communicate with.
Bon dia, què vol? No, miri, no.
Ara no el puc agafar, que no ho sabeu que estic a classe. Truqueu més tard.
El Despatx, un podcast de Vedruna Navàs que farà que vulguis tornar a estudiar.
Sap què? Ara no puc en aquests moments. En tot cas, em truca més tard.
Welcome to a new episode of our podcast where we'll get to know more about our Erasmus week in Åland Islands with some students from Navas. Today we are in GHS school in Godby. Let's start with some questions about expectations. Thanks to Daria and Guillem to be here.
Did you know anything about Åland Islands before, or was it totally new for you?
It wasn't totally new because I've heard it somewhere, but I didn't know anything about its culture. I only knew that it was part of Finland and the flag.
What will you miss the most when you go back home?
I think that I'm gonna miss the food also because I like fish and fish is traditional from here, and I also like the timetable that you use. So I'm gonna miss it.
Was this experience what you expected or totally different?
I wouldn't say totally different, but it's pretty different from what I thought of, especially since I thought that there wasn't going to be much to do here, but from what you've shown me in activities that we did after school, it was actually really fun, and there are unique things here that we do not have in Spain.
Would you do this again or maybe even meet us again in the future?
Yeah, I will repeat this Erasmus week a lot of times. I really enjoy it, and it's a very good experience.
Now we will continue to talk about the different trips and activities we have done during the week. What did you find most impressive about the Pommern in Mariehamn? Did you like the activity?
I think what I found most impressive was that the fact that it traveled all the way from Ireland to Australia and then England, since a lot of boats wouldn't be able to do that. And what I liked most about the activity was that it was more interactive and it wasn't just reading and writing down and stuff like that.
What is the craziest thing that you have discovered about Åland Islands?
Probably I really enjoyed surprise when Carsten told us that that red rock that is in the coast is it's like so exotic all over the world, and that was crazy.
Did you enjoy the Jetta views and Pommersen?
Yes, I really liked them, especially since the waves weren't that big and the granite that was found, since it's unique, I've never seen it before and it was really beautiful.
Would you visit Åland Island again?
Yeah, completely. It has a very not strange but a very complete landscape, and I really enjoy the forest, the rivers, and that was good.
Now we are going to ask some questions about the cultural experiences. What did you think about the food in Åland Islands?
I found it pretty good, and since they eat a lot of fish here and I like fish, it was pretty good. But also the pancakes here with the cream and prune jam were really good, and everything about it was delicious.
Do you like the Åland Island culture?
Yeah, it's good. I really know. Well, I discovered some festivities that are celebrated here, and they are different from the ones that we celebrate in Catalonia, but they are awesome.
Was there any cultural difference that really caught your attention?
I think the fact that everybody here knows everybody, because in Catalonia you all know people from your town, but for example people in Mariehamn might know people from Godby, and that isn't really common, so I think that would be it.
And finally, we think it's a good idea to ask some things about the experiences you have had regarding the people you have met and if you maybe have made some new friends.
Was it easy to communicate with the families?
That's an easy question to answer. So I enjoyed a lot being with Harald's family, and it was easy to communicate with him. They know a lot of English, and it was easy to communicate to each other.
Did you enjoy time with your Erasmus host?
Yes, I really liked it because she brought me on a lot of different activities, and it was just us. It was with everybody, and we had an easy time making the conversation flow, and we had a lot of topics in common. So I'd say yes.
How did you imagine us before meeting us?
But I would imagine it as similar to us, because at Catalonia we were talking before you going to Catalonia, and I discovered that Harold and I have some common topics, and that's good. So I think that I imagined you similar to us.
Were the different people in Åland Islands nice?
Yes, they were really kind, and they had good manners, and I really like that about people.
That's it. Thank you so much for sharing this time with us on Despatx.